Hello guys, you are watching Level Tuber YouTube channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to find Wi-Fi password. You may think that I will show you how to find or hack any Wi-Fi password, but I am not doing that. I will just show you how to view or find your saved Wi-Fi passwords, in case you forgot the password. The first thing you need to do is, go to search bar and type, CMD, then click Run as administrator. Now type in the command, netsh, wlan, show profile. Then press enter. Now you will see the names of the saved Wi-Fi networks, in your computer. In my case it's just one, if you have two or more it will be shown. Now the second command you need to type in is, netshare, wlan, show profile, then type your Wi-Fi name, in my case it's Brito, then press enter. Now you will see in security settings, that security key is present. In order to get that, we need to type the same command, as above with another phrase, key equals clear. Then the command should look like this. Now press enter again. Now go to security settings, you will see key content, showing the Wi-Fi password. Now just type this password, in order to connect any other device to that Wi-Fi network. Even there is another simplest way to find the saved Wi-Fi password, that is from Network and Sharing Center. For that go to Control Panel, click on Network and Internet Setting, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on any of the active connected Wi-Fi present above. Now click on Wireless Properties, then go to Security tab, below you will see Network Security Key, there you check the Show Characters option. This will reveal the password for the Wi-Fi network. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you found it helpful. Give this video a like, do comment and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you have, please spare some time to share my videos with your friends or relatives. And thank you for watching.